Hey guys, welcome back to Beno Sester Malka's channel. In case you missed yesterday's live stream, no worries. I'm going to go over all the games with you in 1 minute and then we're going to share the replay. But before you do, I have one request, is that you check out the links below. And if you're interested in purchasing Grasping Grammar, which is last week's game, this week's game, which is Mathery, down, and next week's game, which is a cute little fun to see in a minute, Place, Value, and Ordering. So all the links are below. If there's any game here that interests you, don't forget to check out the links and give this video a thumbs up so I'll know, and then we will share more games with you. Now, off to the review. Hey guys, welcome back to Beno Sester Malka's live stream. Today we're going to unbox a new game, and it's Mathery, and I'm super excited because it's a multiplication game. And my students always, every year, no matter how old they are, I start review from addition, subtraction, multiplication, division as we move on to their grade level. So before we unbox it, just a quick update on last week's games, and then we're going to unbox it. But just a quick message, this game was sent to me by Mathery. I'm going to leave their call at the bottom, so I highly suggest you click their Instagram page because they have a lot of fun multiplication resources, and I fell in love with it, and I know you guys will too. So in terms of last week, I unboxed two games. One of them is not here. It's Labyrinth. It was, I would say, my first real failed purchase from the Amazon warehouse. Terrible. There were pieces missing. You saw the box last week. If you'd like to repeat that, it was an epic fail for myself and my family. But if you'd like to have a sneak peek into that, well then, up above, in my description, I have a link to my YouTube channel with the way the game looked. Whew, don't want to repeat that one. Anyway, another game, thank goodness I unboxed, is Grasping Grammar, and it's nouns to interjections. This game, I'm just going to give you a quick overview. I liked it. I think it has a great place in the educational space. But I want to point out that it is very much, it's less gamey and more skill oriented. So if your students need to learn their parts of speech, this is fantastic. It is definitely better than me saying, this is a noun, this is a verb, and basically you have this game, and I highly recommend it because you know what? They're reviewing their nouns, they're reviewing their verbs, they're reviewing their interjections, and something else that I want to show you, that the game board itself, it actually has all of the parts of speech, plus there is an additional deck of cards, and you can really take the learning to the next level. So in a way, this game is a two-part game. So you're going to get it, multiple uses out of it. And quite frankly, I kind of like that. A game that grows with the students. So thumbs up on that end. Now for today's game, Mathery Multiply, I highly suggest you check them out. The name of the company is, it says here, Wells Ianco. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Wellsian and Company. Sorry, I apologize for that, for botching up the name. But we're going to unbox it and we're going to see how to make multiplication fun. But bonus, if you check the link above, you're going to get number one. If you check last week's video, I left a coupon code so you can actually save money off this game. And who doesn't love savings? And number two, if you watch a replay of this video, I'm also going to leave a coupon. So whatever the case is, check it out. So first thing, this is a white cardboard box. The design, at this point, it's for multiplication. Most children who are doing multiplication really don't rely on the art so much. So it says Mathery Multiply. So right here, it's cool, it's simple, it's white, it's clean, and it says what it is on the side. Something I want to point out, look at this. Look at the size of the boxes. Compare it. No offense. Love this game. Had a lot of good use of it. But I don't think I needed such a thick box. And again, you see this in all my videos. For me, shelving is golden. So the fact that this is a thin box, small footprint. This is a cardboard box. So just take note, it's a cardboard box. So let's actually open it up and check it out. So the first thing we have is the instructions, and it shows here that it's actually a The board over here, which we'll get to in a minute, is a grid of 12 by 12. So right there, the students, boom, look, and they get to see the full multiplication. Totally love that. So it has, you know, an overview. It is hard to read when holding up. It's just the paper, so I'm just going to put it in the cover. As you can see, the instructions. It is double-sided, so there's not like a whole booklet of things you're going to have to go through, and which that's fine because I like quick. I don't like wasting so much time. So it kind of a cooperative game. There's a speed game. There's a competitive scoring game. So basically from right here, you get 3 levels of play, and that is, oh my gosh, fantastic. I work in an inclusion school, so right here is this 2 to 4 competitive scoring gameplay. Some of my students need to go slower, so we'll do that one. Then we have a speed play. I got some students who will not be playing that, but the fact that it gives me choices, thumbs up on choices. I love a game with choices. Next, we have this little pouch, and I like how everything comes in bags. I'm definitely going to point that out. I like it. It's not a mess. And whew, if you have games like me, you know what a mess is. All right, so it looks like here there are 10-sided dice, and they come in different colors, and that's also, it's nice. So you have blue, you have red, black, white, and green. They're standard, the colors, but, you know, they're different. And students like different. I don't know what it is. You can play the same game. Oh, it's a 12-sided, my apology. It says number here, 12. Just kids like different, so I like the fact that they are different colors. Next we have, let's take this out. You have your red chips, and they look transparent. So let's open them up. You got some red chips over here, and they are transparent. They're nice. They're standard plain chips. And then you have your blue chips here. So as far as the actual box, from what there is no insert, but you know what? It's a thin box and everything is nicely in bags, and it takes up little shelf room. So for me, that is amazing. And look, some extra baggies, and I like bags. Next, you have the actual game. It is a piece of cardboard, as you can see here, and it's I think a 12. I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it's a 9 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 9 by 9. I just thought 12 by 12 because I saw the 12 here and the 12 here, or I quickly glanced here. So I guess that's different, but okay. So you have, I would assume, the factors here. So that's fun. It looks like it does not go into the thousands. Obviously, it leaves out 10, which, as a side note, I teach more of a Montessori curriculum. In a Montessori, we teach everything, or I teach everything from 0 to 9 first. So we add 0 to 9. We subtract 0 to 9. When we multiply, 0 to 9. So based on the looks over here, it does not go past, well, it looks like, I don't know. We'll get to play the game, but it looks like it fits with the way we teach. And if not, we'll learn some more things. So totally cool. Yeah, so that's it. Again, this game, everything fits nicely. You got the nice game board. I like how it's transparent so the kids can see through it. You have the dice, and next week, please come back next week, we will meet again, and I will actually share with you how we played Mathery, and I will give you a little bit of feedback that I got from when my students actually played this game. Oh! I just want to point out something I just noticed. Look at the bottom. 1 to 4 players. I mean, sometimes my students, they just need one-on-one quiet work. I cannot believe it. I now have a game to put in the one-on-one quiet work. They can play, they can review. Super excited. So, just a reminder, if you made it this far, don't forget to check out the description above if you're watching this on Instagram, because I am going to give you a code so you can get a savings on this multiplication game. Now, in terms of next week's game, this one I found locally. It was less than $2, and it says place value and ordering parts of 100 square. I have no clue what it is, but I kind of have an impulse issue when I see something for this low, under $2, and sealed. Oh, I go ahead and I will share with you next week. So in terms of games, again, link above, you will have all the information on place value and ordering, Mathery multiplication with the coupon code, and grasping grammar. I'm also going to leave a link to last week's game. Unfortunately, like I said, I couldn't play it because it was missing parts, but it looks so much fun. So we're going to leave a bonus link. So don't forget to check above and let me know which games you like, because I really want to feature skills that you want to see, because we're here to learn from each other. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Thank you guys so much for watching the replay. As promised, down below are all the links. We have Grasping Grammar, we have Mathery with a coupon, and place value and ordering. So like I said, check out those links, make the most of it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to be part of the next live video, which is next Sunday, well then, don't forget to head over to my Instagram and let me know. Have a wonderful day.